Eddie Gray, my man, congrats on 5,000 subs plus. Just enjoying out here, evening sky out here, Sandy, Utah. It's about 35 degrees. With you, enjoying me some nice haunted bookshop with the awful warning on it, courtesy of you. Calling card from the Pipe Nook, the place to order tobaccos and pipes on the internet and accessories. Little Missouri Meerschaum, Country Gentleman. Little windy out, you probably hear some wind chimes. This is when a man gets to think. And to thank you for the excellent content on YouTube. It's magic, nights like this. Makes me think back on the first time I got to light up. I got the 7-day smokables, smokable seconds from Missouri Meerschaum. This is the prize beauty. The Country Gentleman was out of it. But I chose the Rob Roy Legend. And it came with, I got the Missouri Meerschaum Country Gentleman tobacco. And Jesus Christ, I burnt the hell out of my tongue. First time smoking, trying to keep it lit, trying to taste it. I probably lit up 20, 30 times. Puffing and puffing and puffing. I did get a few good puffs in. Even today I look at that Rob Roy Legend with a smile. It's relaxing out here, and this is what pipe smoking is all about to me. Hearing the wind, hearing the chimes, the alone time. Time to think about family, friends, and faith. And I hope everyone out there as well is enjoying their pipe. Thanks to you, Eddie Gray. Have a good one, brother, and I'll keep watching into the future. God bless and good night.